I don't like it. Don't touch. 1, 2, 3. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right, and take 3. Welcome back.
I have a kitty shirt.
I got with our kitty shirt. So welcome back to Shiba Sparkles. Jenny, what are we for people who don't know?
We are a kids channel where we do good recipes for cooking, good DIYs for kids, and we inspire people. Not for entertainment. I got my phone now. For entertainment.
Yeah.
Mommy has a phone.
And I'll let the girls give our surprise. What's going on in the world of Shiba Sparkles?
We are going to have a baby brother.
A baby brother! Yeah!
Named Alexander.
Yeah, his name's gonna be Alexander. So mommy's been having food cravings.
Yeah, true.
So we thought it'd be nice if we cooked something for him
Also,
today.
she craves lots of sandwiches.
Lots of sandwiches.
Yeah.
So today we're gonna make DIY PopTarts and a DIY pie using mason jar lids. So it's gonna be mini pies.
Yeah, we're gonna use the lids and I need to make a big pie.
Yeah. So because we're just gonna, instead of making the crust, we're gonna use this for the pie.
And we recommend using small marshmallows, but we couldn't find any baby marshmallows at the store, so we got these. These were the smallest marshmallows known. It's big marshmallows.
Yeah. So we're gonna be making jelly-filled Pop-Tarts and Nutella and chocolate.
And a chip.
Yeah, and Nutella. Well, actually, s'more pie.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well.
Okay.
For any of you guys, if you listen to Naomi's little rants whenever we do in the video, she talks about things going on in her life, like what she plays with, and what she's wearing.
Okay, so let's start making the pies. So first we gotta open this up. I'll let the girls do that.
Yay! I know you guys are not here, so you cannot feel this, but this feels super soft. This feels like pizza dough.
So roll it out to the...
Take mine out. We're gonna use that for Pop-Tarts. Take mine out.
We're gonna start one by one, Mama.
You could open that one if you want.
We're just gonna do one by one for now.
Oh wait. This part looks like it's like Play-Doh.
You need help?
I guess in this part, yeah. Some dough may be kind of hard, and it looks like it has.
Ready? I'm gonna hold it down. Go ahead and roll it out. Do it slow. Do it slow. Well, unscrew the lid because that's going to be our pie part, so we need to measure.
Ooh, that's
so you
cool.
need, for our pie, we need it to be a little bit bigger than that. I think the Nutella would do better. So here, I'm going to push down, Mamas. Push down. Push.
I took out the lid, but it didn't take this part of the lid. It's kind of cool.
All right, make another one, Naomi.
I'm gonna keep this.
Make another one.
Make it like a doll size. We cut all of our dough, and I'm gonna tell you guys a trick. When you use a cap to make the small parts of the dough, and it's kind of ruined now. When you put it in the dough, and smush it, like press it hard. When you turn it, make sure to turn it to a point where you hit we use a cutting board, so until it hits the cutting board, or at least close to it, and then it pops out, and it's freshly cut out.
So our next thing to do is to grease up the pie lids. This is what the trays we're going to use for the pie. So Jenny, if you want to do the honors.
Okay, cool.
Hold on.
I like to.
Make sure you don't overdo it so that the oil doesn't puddle in the bottom.
I'm going to kind of stand up to get a better view. You like not only. I'm going to kind of move that around.
button.
Now
Ready?
you gotta push it down here. Make
Push
sure
really
you don't
hard.
cover the hole. Don't the bit, Naomi.
It's okay, Naomi. It's a little bit too hard.
I'm not.
Nice job.
I want to move it.
Okay,
Okay,
let
then be
it
careful. Don't press it up.
Alright, Jenny, the next thing to do is to put the circles inside the pilots.
Kind of make it our mold.
Alright, so the next thing we need to do is add our filling, which is gonna be the Nutella.
Yep, which we have right here. Which
Do
you
we
guys
have
can't
my
see.
carrot?
You guys
Yeah.
can't see well in this camera mode. So I'm gonna look. 1, 2, 3, go! Ooh, that was perfect.
I'm making food. Acha! Down.
So quickly.
With the fork, we just swirled it really fast with a little splash of water. And now we're gonna brush the sides of the crust with egg wash so that it sticks to the pie. And the only thing left to do is to poke holes with this butter knife in the middle of it, probably like 2 little holes, so that steam releases. Looks like piggy noises here.
It does.
Let's put the water on for me.
Also, it looks like how
Hold
like
on.
now we see why pies have this, or at least kids know this. I'm pretty sure grown-ups know. At least most grown-ups.
Using Jenny's technique, we made some more circles. We're gonna make our Pop-Tarts a little bit circular shape. Maybe we could have it fit in our boxes that we made for Mommy.
Yep.
So, next thing to do is to add jelly.
Yeah. We are going to use the strawberry jelly, and it's Smucker's.
So you want to add a little bit so we don't overfill it and it doesn't explode in the oven. We put the tops onto our 3 pies. Naomi's putting on the egg wash. So with the fork, you want to just press down, and it closes.
Oh, I'm gonna make like a pie outline.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna start off.
Okay, that's
I'm gonna make pies.
So the temperature is 350 degrees, and that's for the Pop-Tarts. It should take a couple minutes until they're golden brown. And the pies are actually 375, so we might just have to leave those a little bit longer than usual.
I want to eat it.
Well, you can't eat
No,
it because
it's raw.
the dough is raw.
No, Mama, still eat those.
Oh.
Alright, ready? Never eat raw dough. We'll see you soon.
I'm making pie.
Yep.
Alright, guys, we're gonna pull them out. Ah, there's our Pop-Tart.
The jelly looks like it kind of splattered out of the holes.
That's
but
fine. And then these are gonna need to bake a little bit longer, so we're gonna leave them in there.
I zoom in a bit better.
You bet.
We're
You
gonna
bet.
put 3 more
I'm
minutes.
playing this game.
As you can see, the
It's evil.
Time.
So we're gonna go ahead and let these cool. So go ahead and turn that off.
Okay.
No, evil watching.
I'm gonna make a kind of
Dude,
movie.
yes, it's washed. Not toast, it's washed.
Putting marshmallows on top so they can be like s'mores.
Yeah, and when we put them in the oven with the marshmallows, they seem to have melted. Obviously, who wouldn't have guessed that?
And these are our Pop-Tarts. We experimented putting some frosting. It was too hot, so we put them in the freezer for a little bit. So the girls are gonna put some more frosting on top, and Naomi will put the sprinkles. So they're looking like real Pop-Tarts.
Yeah.
It's a marching.
They kind of look egg-shaped.
They kind of do. This one kind of looks like an egg.
Don't put too much frosting. Pop-Tarts don't have a lot. You might want to put another layer on the little one.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna have to re-sprinkle that one.
It's done.
That's gonna be our first sprinkle one because you never really sprinkled that one. The cupcakes are at night.
Alright, Naomi, that looks like it's enough. It's too much sugar for a pregnant mommy.
We'll end up giving her this one.
Alright, and we're gonna pop out our other pies. Okay, so our next thing to do is pop out our pies.
Yep, and which the caps, I touched them to move them in a good spot for the camera, and they look like they really burn. Okay, that's one.
Okay, you wanna let them cool before you take them out.
Yep.
I need more many. $2. I not have that many.
You don't have that many.
No, that many.
Ooh, look at that marshmallow.
Ooh, that one really melted. And we are going to put that inside our special Shiba boxes, which Carlos, one of our Shiba specialists and helpers, actually printed this out and made this on. Well, he made this on his computer. As you can see, he took lots of time and practice, and he printed it out. So
I need more many.
he printed out small so he could put it on these boxes. And this looks amazing, you guys.
So the last thing to do is drizzle on some chocolate on the top of your chocolate s'more pie.
Yep. And this looks like it could be one of those Hershey's pies or Hershey dessert. I'm not really sure. Whenever I get pizza, we don't really get the dessert, so we don't really know. I think they're pie or cake. And it looks like one of those that you get from the pizza.
So it's time to pack it. Ready?
Yep. Here's one little box.
Let's put the pie first. I'm gonna do this one.
Ooh, that one got stuck with that one. Kind of looks like a spider web.
I'm gonna do it with this one.
That looks so good.
Let's probably put it right here. Ooh, oh no!
Well,
There you go.
it's gonna be eaten anyway, so I guess
Ready?
I'm gonna start
Take a
tearing
picture.
them up.
Really switch up the fillings to any of the Pop-Tarts or the s'mores.
Looks like I got a bunch of frosting on me. Well, you might know
At the
it's
TV. At the TV cake. At the TV cake in my door. At the TV cake.
Yeah?
Yeah, don't
There she
come.
goes, playing Roblox. There she
TV
goes.
cake.
Alright guys, I guess the only thing to do is actually open one up and try one.
Yeah. And
So-
I actually noticed these two pictures are actually darker and this one is lighter.
Alright, so let's open one up. Let's save these two. These are the nicest, I think. Ready?
Don't fight.
Naomi, you want to try one?
The pink one. I want the pink one. Give me a pink one.
Here, sit right here. How does it taste, Jenny?
It's good.
Is it hot? It's really hot. Be careful, mamas. Try it.
It's not that bad.
So you're saying it's bad?
Actually, that kind of sounds like it. But it is
Uh-oh.
good.
Oh.
It
Be
does.
careful. Just take a bite, mamas.
It seems like the Hershey chocolate bars, and like the one where the Oreo Hershey's chocolate bars and it melted, and this is what you're eating.
Oh, no.
Plus a bit
The
of
bottom
garden
came out.
bread.
Yeah.
So this is what it tastes like.
Want to try the Pop-Tart?
I'm just gonna scoop that onto the top.
Okay. Maybe want to try a little bit of the chocolate?
Okay.
No? I'm gonna try the chocolate. Mmm.
Look at me over there. Staring.
Mmm. That one came out really good. What do you think, Naomi? Good?
That.
You like it?
Which one do you like? Do you like the Pop-Tart or the pie?
A pie.
Pie's good.
This is the pie, this is the Pop-Tart.
I like a pop.
I like the pie.
They're both really good. You guys did a good job. Alright guys, we're gonna say bye. Ready and bye!